In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Patreon. If you support a creator on Patreon and want to save one of the files they've shared, the process is usually very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, sign into your Patreon account and open the creator page that you currently support. This is important because downloadable files are typically shared through posts that are available to members or supporters of that page. Once you're on the correct page, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the creator's content feed so you can access their posts easily. Next, go to the specific post that contains the file you want to download. Depending on what the creator has shared, this could be something like an image, audio file, document, zip file, or another type of downloadable attachment. Scroll through the post carefully and look for the file itself. If the creator has included multiple items in one post, make sure you select the exact file you want before moving on. After you've found the file, tap or click the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu usually opens additional options for that file. From there, choose the download option. Once you do that, your browser or device should begin downloading the file automatically. In some cases, you may be asked where you want to save it, while on other devices it may go directly to your default downloads folder. If you don't see the file right away after downloading, check your browser's downloads list or your device's file manager. There's also another option you can use if you want a more direct way to download files from Patreon. You can install a Patreon downloader browser extension. This can be helpful for people who download files more often and want quicker access to download features inside their browser. If you choose this route, make sure you install the extension from a trusted source and review what permissions it requests before adding it to your browser. And that's all it takes to download files from Patreon. As long as you're logged into your account, supporting the correct creator, and opening the right post, you should be able to access and save the shared file without much trouble. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you follow the process smoothly.